What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's been a while since I made a video. It's been like 3 weeks. But I got you something fun, something really cheap, and a simple way, I think, is to fix um, what it's. The reason it's funny is because it involves, and if you've never seen this before, it is shoe polish. So I got the black shoe polish, and the reason why I have a black shoe polish is my fenders and my bumpers and the door plastic bumpers, I guess to call them. They are faded, super faded, and just wanted to try out. I've seen a lot of other other products being used to darken them, and I've used quite a good bit of them, but they quickly fade away. And I actually saw this hack on TikTok. Is the funny part. My wife showed me this, actually. I have TikTok, but I don't really use it anymore. Sorry, there's a mosquito, and I get bit up by mosquitoes really badly. But we're gonna try this hack, to see if it really works, or is it really does not work. So let's get going. I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod. I'll be right back. Alright, so we're gonna try it right here in this little panel. As you can see, it's super faded, and these are like stress marks from somebody bumping the bumper. This is all way before I had the car. So we got this Kiwi brand shoe polish, and as you saw, it's the Black Noir. I don't think this is gonna use for the whole bumper, but we shake it and then we push on it until the ink comes out, I guess. Move, mosquito. You do a little pumps so the ink comes out. You don't want it to be runny as well, because then that ends up cracking it somehow. Kind of like when you ladies, if any ladies are watching this right now, I hope you guys get the reference. So like when you're doing your nails, and you put either too much gel or not enough gel, it like cracks the nail polish, and so it does the same thing on this. So if you put too much paint, it'll crack the paint. But already that's looking way better. Cause that's the original color. That's what it should have been. And then I believe this polish, it like also conditions the product, because this is technically for boots, like leather boots. And let's see, look, revives and protects black leather. And I mean, you guys can tell the difference. This is literally like 2 minutes of me wiping it. Big difference. It looks really good. Looks a little slotchy, but I mean, because it's not supposed to be painted over for this big amount of space. It's literally for boots, but it looks good. I'm gonna show you the before, or I'm gonna finish up, and then I'll show you how far I gone with just one little thing. This is really tiny, so see, really tiny. I got small hands, so I ain't even tripping, and this is smaller than that. So I'm gonna finish up, put you guys away real quick, so I Don't have to worry about somebody stealing my setup. And I'll show you the end results. But I'm really liking what it looks like right now. Um, I'll see what it looks like when it dries up. But so far, it's good results. All right. So I'll see you back when I'm done with this bumper. So I finished the rear bumper. Sorry, my back kind of hurts. I'm just gonna wait and let it dry because I'm starting to see how this paint kind of comes out. But oh my god, for the most part, it looks good. Yeah, let me see. Let me show you what it looks like before. Can't tell. That's the before. It looks really gray. It doesn't even look black at all. Look. So I'm gonna try to do as much as I can with this one bottle. I finished the back bumper, and that's about. I probably used about a third of it. So I'm gonna do the sides, and if I run out, I run out. I just go to Walmart and buy another one. So I'll be right back with the end results of what this whole bottle got me, and then I'll show you the end results. Period. One thing I'm not using, which I forgot to find and I couldn't find probably, is painter's tape, so you can cover up the actual panels of the car, because you don't want to get paint on that. And I might get a little bit of paint on it, so for next time, bring that, okay? If you want to try to do this as well. I'm not saying this is a permanent fix, because I am probably going to buy new bumpers, front and rear, because they are a little crashed, they are a little messed up. But this is a partial fix just to keep it looking pretty good for the most part. All right, so I'll be right back. So yesterday I did not film an outro due to I went to the beach for my godson's my little nephew's birthday party. We were there all day, so I didn't get to film the outro, but it looks really good. Not 100% the fixture. I'll show you why right now, but it does look really good from afar. If you go up to it, like really close to it, you can see the details and the wrongdoings in it. Like I'll show you right now. Case in point. You can tell I did something to it right there. But when you back up. The side here. Look at the front bumper. When you close up, you can heck to tell. So it isn't the 100% fixture, but it does make it look a lot better. Maybe I'll give it another another swipe at it, another layer. I just did one quick layer. I didn't clean it. It was one of my issues. So it mixed the dirt and the dust with the paint. So next time I do it, I will clean it up a little bit. I just didn't have time. I had a lot of stuff to do yesterday, and yeah, I still have like half of the shoe polish bottle, so it didn't even use up that much. So if you guys want to do this, and don't mind it looking a little sloppy, you just want that darker look quickly, because I tried all the little liquids for it, like the from every brand. I don't even remember the brand names right now, but all those specialty ones that are for plastic darkeners didn't work for my car. It made it look, I don't know, I think it made it look more whiter for some reason. I don't know, like it soaked up, and it didn't turn it black. It didn't darken it. So this helped it out, because like look, I missed some spots, so you can tell the difference. So right there, the shiny part is the black, and then like the little bitty part right here, and that didn't get touched. So you can tell where I missed it, because it's really like ashy. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next videos. Peace.